Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, if you are just signing on, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Let's get into the video. Guys, this is a tutorial on how to use the G Suite platform. So go to Google and type in G Suite login. You can either press enter or Google search. And on this tutorial I'll be doing this from a laptop. It's important to note that this is for the students. Okay, so this is the page that is going to come up. You don't want to click on this first one. You want to go straight to sign in Google accounts G Suite. Here you're going to enter the email address that your teacher sent to you. So it is specific to that email address. Next, and here you're just signing in, so you're going to sign in the password that you got from your teacher as well. Remember that the password is case sensitive, meaning that you have to type it in just the way you see it. Once you press next, excuse me, it's going to take you straight here. You want to accept the terms and conditions. Then it's going to prompt you to create a new password. So you're going to type in your new password and type it in to confirm. Once you click change password, it's going to take you here. Now you want to go straight to classroom. And remember, we're doing this from a PC. So once you go straight to classroom, this is what you will see. So your name will come up here and you will need to click continue. I am a student. Then your class will be shown here. You just click join. Once you have received the invite, the classes will show there. Once you have joined the class, this is where it will take you. Once you get here, there are 3 sections at the top. So in stream, which is this section, you can see announcements from your class teachers. You can also see upcoming assignments. If you go over to classwork, you'll be able to see all your subjects along with your teachers' names. If you go over to people, you'll be able to see your teachers along with your classmates. So this is basically how you can access your classroom through the use of Google Suite. If there are any questions, you may leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you.